Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, May 22nd, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed mixed performance. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite Index both maintained strong positive trends, closing at 21,112 and 18,925 respectively. The communication services sector extended its upward streak for a second day. Market breadth was notably strong in tech. The Nasdaq 100 saw 84% of its components advance. The Nasdaq Composite showed similar strength with twice as many advancers as decliners. The technology sector had over 550 advancing stocks. Monthly returns have been impressive for most tech indexes. The technology sector leads with a 9.7% gain, while the healthcare sector lags, down 7.2%. Year-to-date, tech-related indexes show mixed performance with modest gains and losses. Among top tech performers, Seagate Technology led with a 4% gain. Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike each rose over 2%. Paycom Software reached a new one-year high. Monthly returns for top performers show Seagate up 19.4% and Paycom gaining 15.5%. Palantir stands out year-to-date with an impressive 61.7% return. Enphase Energy led decliners, plunging 19.6% to a one-year low amid strong downward volatility. Analog devices fell 4.6%, marking its fifth consecutive down day. NXP Semiconductors dropped 4.3%. The decline in Enphase has been severe, down 24.6% this week and 44.7% year-to-date. First Solar shows mixed results with a 24.3% monthly gain, but down 11.3% year-to-date. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed mixed performance today. The QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both maintained positive trends, closing slightly higher. Navitas Semiconductor extended its losing streak to 6 consecutive days, despite maintaining an overall positive trend. Month-to-date returns have been notably strong across these ETFs. Navitas Semiconductor leads with a 14% gain, while the QQQ bullish ETF has surged 24.4%. The QQQ bearish ETF has declined 21.3%, reflecting the overall positive momentum in tech.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Alphabet led gains with upward volatility and a mixed positive trend. Apple notably extended its losing streak to 7 consecutive down days, amid a very strong negative trend. Returns analysis shows Navitas Semiconductor with exceptional month-to-date gains of 6.9%. Meanwhile, Apple continues struggling with negative returns across all time frames, down 4.7% this week alone. In semiconductor stocks, Navitas Semiconductor surged dramatically, up 3.14 to 5.5, marking a 164.3% gain and a new one-year high. Wolfspeed jumped 33.5% despite showing strong downward volatility. Return metrics highlight Navitas Semiconductor's exceptional performance, up 143% this week and 162% month-to-date. Wolfspeed shows mixed signals with a 33.5% daily gain despite negative longer-term returns. Cloud computing leaders showed strength, with Snowflake surging 13.4% to hit a new one-year high. Scalar also reached a new yearly peak, while CrowdStrike maintained its very strong positive trend. Return analysis reveals Snowflake's impressive 27.4% month-to-date gain. Scalar and CrowdStrike both show robust year-to-date returns, exceeding 29%. In AI and robotics, Symbotic led gains, rising 10% with a strong positive trend. Rockwell Automation showed strength despite recent sideways movement, while iRobot remained flat for 10 days. Return metrics show Symbotic with impressive 36.4% month-to-date gains. Rockwell Automation posted strong monthly returns of 23.7%, while iRobot struggles with negative returns across longer timeframes. Leading AI and robotics thematic ETFs showed positive momentum today. Spear Alpha ETF led gains, climbing 4.7% to 26.66, with a very strong upward trend. Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund rose to 22.21 while consolidating recent gains. Monthly returns highlight impressive performance in May. Spear Alpha ETF leads with a 24.9% gain, while Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund has risen 13.1%. Robotics and Automation ETF showed consistent gains with a 10.1% monthly return. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance today. Tesla gained 1.9% to 341.4 with a strong positive trend. NIO declined for a fourth consecutive day, breaking down from recent sideways movement with a strong negative trend. Monthly returns reveal Tesla leading with a 20.9% gain in May. BYD has demonstrated remarkable strength year-to-date, surging 72.5%. NIO continues to struggle, down 4.2% this month. Quantum computing stocks surged dramatically today. IonQ soared 36.5% to 45.79. D-Wave Quantum reached an all-time high, jumping 23.9% amid strong upward volatility over the past 12 days. Rigetti Computing surged 26.4%. Monthly gains have been exceptional across quantum computing stocks. D-Wave Quantum leads with a 175.5% surge in May. IonQ has gained 66.8%, while quantum computing is up 79.1% this month. Solar stocks showed mixed trends. VivoPower International led gains, rising 8.1% to 4.93. Sonova Energy declined for a fifth straight day amid downward volatility. Ascent Solar remains flat after 393 days of sideways movement. Year-to-date performance varies widely in solar stocks. VivoPower International shows remarkable strength, up 270.7%. However, Sonova Energy has struggled significantly, down 94.5%. Beam Global shows recent improvement despite a 46.4% year-to-date decline. Leading thematic tech ETFs showed strength today. Global X Cybersecurity ETF rose 1.7% to 34.70, displaying a strong upward trend. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF and ARK Innovation ETF both demonstrated robust positive trends, with several ETFs showing brief consolidation patterns. Month-to-date returns highlight strong performance across thematic tech ETFs. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF leads with a 13.5% gain, while SPDR S&P Software and Services ETF follows with 10.4%. Year-to-date, Global X Cybersecurity ETF shows the strongest performance, up 8.1%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.